the story of the Superfly Monkey. Long ago, in a jungle far, far away, there were a family of tiny tree monkeys just hanging around with nothing to do. They were bored and wanted something more. They all agreed that there must be children all over the world that would love to play with them. One day, after a big feast of magic bananas, they felt as if they could fly. The monkeys got together and decided to make new friends by flying to children everywhere. And that's when the Superfly monkeys were born. They leaped from their jungle tree and headed near and far to find new friends. Over land and sea, from forest to deserts, anywhere children can be found, the Superfly monkeys will be there. Watch for them because they will be somewhere near you, flying about and cheering with happiness. Catch one today. They're fun and easy and a blast for all ages. Find new and exciting things for your own personal Superfly monkey. They fly up to 50 feet with a cheer of happiness. Throw them, catch them, slide them, toss them, but have fun with your Superfly monkey. They're easy to use. Just slip your fingers into the monkey's mitts, pull back, and let them fly.
Put your fingers in the peace sign, hold the monkey out like this in front, pull down on the legs only, and let her fly.
Here's how you do it with little guys. Just put your fingers in the palms of the monkey like this, let them grab the legs, and then you let them pull down and let go. Pull down and let go. Ready, go!
Superfly monkey. Superfly monkey. Superfly monkey. Superfly monkey. Superfly monkey.